At this showroom in Dubai, I don't see any shovels or hard hats, but apparently it's where I can buy myself all the equipment I need to begin mining cryptocurrency.
These are called ASICs. These machines are basically computers. So what they do is they mine cryptocurrency. Not all of them mine Bitcoin, some of them mine LTC and Dogecoin.
James Campagna works for Vipera Tech, which sells miners to individual consumers like me.
We have all these machines. I'm here. Can I mine some Bitcoin?
Yeah, sure. We could turn a machine on and we can start the process. It's going to spool up now.
Oh, that's really loud.
Yeah, that's what it really sounds like.
They're very noisy and they give off a lot of heat.
Yeah, it'll disturb neighborhoods. So generally, a lot of this mining happens away from the city grid in isolated areas, only because the noise does become a nuisance.
What these mining machines are doing is digitizing trust. Every time someone makes a transaction with Bitcoin, that transaction is recorded on a blockchain. So we know who gave what to who and when. Miners are verifying those transactions and locking them down forever so that no one can ever alter that record. The miners compete with each other to be the first to verify blocks on the blockchain because the winning miner gets a small reward in crypto. That's how miners make their owners money. Not much, but some. Working on the hope that one day most people will use crypto as the sole worldwide monetary system.
We're always thinking about the future, never thinking about the present.
So do you mine at all yourself at home?
Me, personally, no. My wife would kill me.